Hello, and I will start a little bit differently than everybody else because I have 4 questions for you at the start. How many of you use or know Jira? Jira, you know. How many of you do use or know eazyBI? Is there someone that doesn't know?
That one is under the table.
How many of you are using ScriptRunner with your Jira? Less hands. And most important question, how many of you know ESET? Yeah.
You know you.
Not me, our company. So I'm Martin. I'm Atlassian Systems Administrator in ESET. As I heard yesterday, some of you thought that ESET is a company that makes something with fuels. No, we don't. As our CEO says, our world is computer security. We make complex products for some customers around the world to protect their whole systems, home and business customers. But let's start with the presentation. First of all, we need the boring background about why we did what we did. So ESET is a company that is more than 30 years old, so we get to the point that we need to get from complete mess to corporate approved mess. So we need a structure, we need corporate portfolio management. So this is the simpler or simplest structure that we have in our company of our issues. The structure can go from 4 levels to 9 levels. It depends how crazy the person who is linking the issues is. So 4 levels is pretty basic. So, and the first thing with this hierarchy was done in ScriptRunner. We just visualize the structure in Jira issue view for everybody. Like me, I'm on the bottom level of a company, and I open my Workflow Magic story, and I can see what program I'm contributing to. So we have the structure, we have visualization of the structure. So another request was, okay, we have structure, we need to measure our full-time equivalent allocations of our people to these projects and programs. So we are a software company. We made our trustfully R2D2's internal system that is used for us to put our percentage allocations of our work for every month to every program. And because we had the structure in Jira, so we used Jira and ScriptRunner and make some REST API to get the information to our trustful R2D2, and you can see if I log work in Jira, I can see how many hours or story points or issues I worked for the month, and there is 22% I logged for that project, so I can put my 25% for that project for the month. And now we have data in R2, so we need to combine this data and bring it to eazyBI and combine it with data from Jira. And that brings us to most powerful feature of eazyBI, And can you guess what is it? No. Customer support. For this particular, it was Oscars. It was my savior last year. We spent 2 or 3 hours working on that report that I need to present to our people. So thank you, Oscars. So with Oscar's help, we ended with most beautiful reports in the world. There are reports for particular project. Then you can see how many people are contributing to this project for every month, and also this was the problematic one, the program, because there were some complications to put data together. So everyone on top level of management can see, and this is the basic thing that you can make with eazyBI. You have beautiful reports, and you can embed it in Confluence page or Jira dashboard. But we were thinking how to get these reports and data back to Jira to show our users something more for every particular issue they open. So we take eazyBI, Jira, and we embedded the complete eazyBI report to Jira issue view. So when you open some issue like this one, you can see the live data from eazyBI directly in the issue view. It's like my friend Martin says, it's pretty simple, pretty simple solution, and it's a shame to present this code. This code brings you the whole eazyBI report to your Jira issue view, like a web panel, and you can use eazyBI in every issue. And that was, we thought that that's the end. Yeah, our users on the highest level of management are satisfied. We provide them all data, nice reports for issues. No, that wasn't the end, because yeah, you have the data, you have the report, but we have a page at Confluence that is using Jira issue macro, and we need one more column for that report, and that is the value from previous period for these allocations. Yeah, just get the last value and display it. Yeah. So this is the displaying of how it looks in our Confluence, and how to get it to work with Jira issue macro. So you need to get this data to Jira. So you need ScriptRunner, and you can write custom field that access to database directly to eazyBI database. And when you know where to look, it's very easy to get the value and display it anytime, anywhere. So that's all about our solution. It's quick, but it's really, really simple. It's hard to say a lot of, and I'm pretty sad that I can't show you a real demo because we are a security company. As I say, we are paranoia-driven company. So, do you have any questions?
So, any questions, guys? I know it's pretty, kind of good sitting mode after the break. But do you have any questions? No? Oh, we do have. Because of those bottles, I will just, be very careful. Throw it.
1, 2, 3. I'm just curious. In order to show those visualization, you are using ScriptRunner. Are those behaviors, or this script was pasted into ScriptRunner behavior, or yeah?
This one is a scripted field.
All right.
It's scripted field, just basic scripted field, just to access to database and display it.
And the second one?
And the second one, this one, it's a web panel. Web panel, it's a web fragment that you can put anywhere in Jira when you are using on-premise Jira.
All right. Thank you. Anybody? Oh.
It's going to be a bad question, I think, for a security company. So it's really interesting way of doing the stuff, combining multiple apps. And you see where I will go in the future, but the future is the cloud. There's a lot of push that we have. How do you see this stuff in the cloud in the future, maybe?
No.
No.
No. Cloud is not an option for us, at least 100 years. As I said, we are a paranoia-driven company, so.
Okay, I see.
Hello? Yeah, hello? Oh, yeah, okay. We had a question before today regarding the authorization. Because, accessing the iframe for the eazyBI report, that's pretty straightforward. But accessing the database, I guess you would have to also do some authorization first.
We have a local resource defined in ScriptRunner that is authorized to get data from database. So we are using credentials for some technical users, so like this.
All right, thanks.
More questions, guys? All good? Then I think we are ready. Thank you, Martin, once more.